There we go. Again, wire fence, don't want to hit it. Not bad, not bad. And just haul through here. Get real close to the ground. Just trim the weeds. Oh yeah, how many can I take out? Yep. Just doing the neighbor a favor. I never know if I hit clips until I watch it over again. I'm like, oh, that was kind of sick, you know? What's going on, guys? Cameron Kaiser back here again with another video, and today I'm just going to get straight into it. I'm going to try recording just my hands this time instead of my full body like I usually do. Might as well spice some stuff up. Still got the DJI Fpv, got a Controller Pov ND16, ISO 200, and 1/60 for shutter speed. So that's my settings. White balance is set to manual. That's at like 5600 if anybody cares about that. But yeah, let's just get straight into it. I don't know if the hand setup will work. I got my tripod and everything. So if it doesn't work, you'll see my body. If it does work, you'll see my hands. So let's go. Okay, we're recording. Hear the beat. Not really sure any plan yet. Not sure if I want to boost or, you know, take it slow. We'll take it slow for the beginning. I gotta adjust my goggles, hold up. Kinda like fly through that stuff, but don't at the same time. You know, I want to hit some gaps. Sure, got some sweet gaps over here. I think I'm going too fast for right now to be sending it through gaps. Like that stuff over there. Well, we'll see. Because I know we got... There's me right there in front of you. This is a wire fence. I'm not going to risk hitting that thing. Just trimming the weeds. Still got good RC signal. These trees are so pretty. I just cruise the top of these trees into the sunset. Okay, adjust your hand. I think my signal's gonna get bad here, so we'll head back. We got parent coming up the driveway. Don't honk at me. Especially when Cecilia's sleeping. I like those trees. Those trees are really pretty. I do a couple lines over the trees. I'll try something back over here. See what we got going on. Trim that tree. Hit some gaps. Another gap right here. Might go for. 100%. These trees all like bloom in the spring. It smells so good over here. So I'm gonna go back for that shot again. That's kind of the main shot today, but who knows what we'll do. So, oop, what the heck? Stopped recording. Gosh, man. What am I doing? Scoop around this tree. Didn't miss much. I'm back. Just go straight into the sunset. Cruise up. That was way too close for comfort. Not my favorite shot. Just like a bird, man. Oh, if I lost my drone in there, that would be terrible. Losing signal real bad. Don't fly up over there. Make a little scoop around here. Don't hit that little tree. Signal gets lost over here real bad. I'm just on the other side of the trees, which is funny. But we'll go up this way. There it is. That's kind of the gap I like to see. Nice. Oh, really losing signal. Alright. Suppose I'm way over here. That was kind of the shot I liked. So, I'm happy with that one. We'll cruise down through here. See what we got going on. Nothing. Easy, buddy. I'll slow her down a bit. Because I want to cruise through these trees. There's a few spaces that'd be fun to fly through. Nope, not confident right now. Maybe flying the other way. It's dark in there. Should I get through it? Maybe like, dude, you're only going like 2 miles an hour. No, trust me. This drone will break at a ½ centimeter an hour. And it's dark and I can't see. And my eyesight's kind of blurry. I got the goggles on kind of weird, so that might be the problem. Well, that'd be kind of a cool shot. Maybe pick up the pace a little bit and go through there. Still recording, right? Okay. Pick up the pace. Nobody's at the neighbor's house. They won't be like, bro, why are you flying over my property? It's okay. It's Jim. He's fine. Cut through these 2 poles. Figure out what we're doing. Ooh, easy. Easy. There we go. Again, wire fence. Don't want to hit it. Not bad, not bad. I like that shot. I like that shot. So I went for the shot last time. Kind of come up over here like I just did earlier, but a little bit more to the left. These trees weren't as blooming as they are. I'm going really slow. But I kind of got to figure out where this gap is. It's right there. Just like swoop down. But again, you lose signal like no tomorrow, so we're not going to go over there. I think we'll just haul, so pick up the pace a little bit again. And just haul through here. Get real close to the ground. Just trim the weeds. Oh yeah, how many can I take out? Yep. Just doing the neighbor a favor. Come back this way. Give her another little rip. Still got 25% battery, so we're still cooking. Maybe shoot through that little gap. Maybe not. I'm just not even paying attention to what's going on. I never know if I hit clips until I watch it over again. And I'm like, oh, that was kind of sick, you know? We could go back this way through the trees. One last little rip, and then we'll come back and land. 20% battery, I don't like to push it. Alright, that wasn't cool. I'll just full on tear through our neighbors. Just disturb everybody in town. Go through his trees. Fly on through. I don't have the balls to fly on over that, so swoop back down. Ooh, easy. That's what stabilization's for. Alright. I think that'll be it for the flight today. We just peel through this gap. How high up can we fly? Wow, look at that view. Alright. Quit messing around, Ken. You hear that thing just scream? I'll get closer myself. I'm not going to walk that far. There we go. That's the setup we're working with, by the way. Alright guys, that is it for today's flight. If you guys like the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Follow me on social media. I got Clkimages for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, if anybody uses Facebook anymore. But I also have Clk for Instagram. Giving that a shot, seeing if that'll catch on. But yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe. If you want to see more of just the hand movement content, please let me know. Whatever you like better. I'll talk in all of them because I just can't shut my mouth for some reason. But yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.